Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you how to tell the difference between a new belt for a Sony Walkman or any piece of audio equipment from back in the day and the old ones. Of course, obviously, any of us can tell this belt is old and worn out. And one giveaway, not only that it's in pieces, is it got a corner like this, okay? And even furthermore, let's remove the new belt here out of the way, is to take the belt, even when the belt is in one piece. Sometimes it'll appear that there's nothing wrong with it. So what we used to do back in the day, we were repairing these things, 30 plus years ago, from the, you take it and you pull it, and then you could drop it on the table, and if you look close, you'll see it retract back together. I'll do that again. Pull it just a bit, drop it, and you'll see it move. It'll retract back together. Let me see if I can get a close-up on that so you guys can get a better understanding of what's going on. Some may know this, some may not. I'm showing this simply because there's really not like years ago when I was repairing this stuff, not too much information on the internet. So we'll pull it, drop it, and you'll see it retract back together. The next big giveaway is that these belts in some units, when you take them out, will be gooey, extra gooey, and sticky, like a piece of chewing gum. That's pretty typical, especially it was, decades ago. The difference was, years ago we had a plastic box, and the idler tires, which is a round, thick tire, that are also in units just like this. This is an idler tire for fast forward rewind functions, and it fits around this wheel here. Later years, these devices were direct drive, where you had this piece here was essentially a gear, and the other wheel that was next to it was a gear as well. So in essence, everything would be geared together just like this and work like that for fast forward, rewind, record functions, instead of the tires that would totally, and the belts which would wear out. Today everything's quite a bit different with the DVD players and such. Manufacturers, unless you buy a high-end unit, they don't want you to repair the unit, have it repaired, which is why there's not that many repairs around anymore. They want you to buy a new one. It's much more profitable for the manufacturing company for you to buy a new unit, the customer, rather than it is to take it somewhere and have it repaired. We, the repair people, used to have to take a class for each serial numbered unit. TV, VCR, Walkman, stereo equipment. You had to have a license for each piece of equipment. This is a new belt for a Sony Walkman, alright? And as you can see, I can pull it just basically, and everything's just fine. It's not shiny, and you see how round it is as well. See how pliable it is in the hands. And right there is how you tell a new belt from the old belts down here. Okay? So, years ago, back in the day, we had a plastic box. They had serial numbers for the parts in there, for the idler tires, for the belts, and also a picture of the belt and the tire in there, and you would just simply take it out, take this belt, and you would place it on top of the picture, and it would give you the size. And then you would go straight down inside the box and pluck out the tire or the belt that was needed. It was really simple. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!